So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.
Hello everyone, my name is Arvind Sharma. I am from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I was completed B from St. John College of Engineering and Management in 2018 in Computer Science branch. After completing my graduation, I was not got placed in any IT company. Then one of my friends recommended me to join the Evision. In 26 September 2022, I joined the Evision. In the Evision, I learned about the CCNA, cyber security, Azure, and it also helped me to crack the interview. After completing successful training session in the Evision, I get job in the KARVY Innotech Private Limited with the package of 2.8 LPA. Thank you, Vision, and thank you, Vision team.
So, what are you waiting for? Join a vision, join job.